guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I'm aware that I haven't posted in a while, and that is because I really needed a break from YouTube because it was like too much for me, and I realized that I wasn't ready and I was rushing into it. So yeah, I'm finally back and I'm just starting off again with a very simple video. This is like 1 week after I shot that video and I still haven't edited it, but I'm editing it right now. And I think I forgot to mention that this is going to be a Q&A video. I mean, it wasn't supposed to be, but it turned into a Q&A video, so let's just go with it.
So I basically start off my day by washing my face. I use this Mamaearth Vitamin C face wash. I'm quickly just gonna tie my hair first. This face wash basically gives my skin a very natural glow and it suits all skin types. Mamaearth is an Indian brand and it is very plastic positive. They recycled more plastic than they actually use. All their products are available on the Mamaearth app as well as on Amazon, Nykaa and Purple. Also, every time you buy from them, they will link your order on the website to a tree that they plant and they'll send you its exact location, its exact species and its pictures. You can also use my code to get 20% off on mamaearth.in. You can literally look at my skin and how clear and how natural it is.
Okay, so I'm finally ready to answer questions and my hair is a complete mess right now and I literally cannot do anything about it because it just won't. Okay, so the first question that I got, which is really a very frequently asked question, is are you dating someone? Are you in a relationship with someone? Guys, I am not dating anybody as of now. The last time I dated was literally 2 years back. I'm literally not dating anybody right now. I'm ready for a relationship, but I'm not dating anybody. How do you keep away acne without it tending to return? Okay, honestly, I don't do much to my skin. Like now I've started receiving a lot of skincare products, so I'm trying to use them, but I really don't do much to my skin. And a skincare routine is coming out really soon, so maybe next week, maybe the next video is a skincare routine or a hair care routine. Let's see. Here, is it painful to do a piercing? I mean, if you do it yourself, then I'm definitely sure it will be very painful. But I have like 8 piercings now, and I think when you get them done, it's not that painful. Like when I got my tragus done, I thought it was going to be so painful, but it wasn't that painful, honestly. Quick update, I did pierce my own ear. It wasn't that painful. I mean, it was a bit painful, not that painful. So now I have 9 piercings. So yeah. How are you motivated to post reels? Okay, so basically, funny story, I was on Musical.ly, never blew up. I was on TikTok, I never blew up on TikTok as well. So I was like kind of already demotivated to post reels. So when I posted my first reel, it got like 7k views or 10k views or something. And I was like, oh my god, that's so less, I'm never gonna post again. So I deleted that. And then this year in Jan and Feb starting, I started posting again and still got like a very dry response. So I was like fuck it, I'm just gonna do it for fun. So, and I kept posting and then my first reel kind of blew up. So how do you get along with hate? Okay, honestly, I have this habit of not letting things get to me very easily. So if it's hate or even love, I mean, I don't know if it makes sense, but I don't let things get to myself very easily. You have to convince me to, make me believe in it. I just won't, believe you at first, like, if you know what I mean. So I'm sorry, I'm just very into my hair. Any siblings? I have like 2 brothers, one younger brother and one elder brother. Do you work out? If yes, then any specific that you follow? I don't work out. I just dance a lot. So that's most of the cardio that I do, but I really don't work out. I'm a very lazy person. Some of your favorite TV shows. Okay, I absolutely love Gilmore Girls. It's a very, very underrated show, but I absolutely love it. I love Brooklyn Nine-Nine. I love Friends. I love Gilmore Girls. I love Gossip Girl. Yeah, that's all I think. How many dogs do you have, and what are their names? Can you please show them? Yeah, so I have one dog. His name is Dino, and he's 2 years old right now. Yeah. Are you single? Yes, definitely. Too single. From where did you get all the inspiration and confidence to do YouTube and Reels? To do YouTube and Insta? So basically, I had this very, a huge boost of confidence when I was in grade 9. So I just came back with a very fucker attitude, and I was like, who cares? Just do whatever you want to do. I stopped judging myself after a certain point of time. That is the thing that I absolutely love about myself. So, have you ever had abortion? Yes, I have. Do you regret dating any of your exes? Honestly, no. I think when I was with them, it was a really, really fun experience for me. So, I really don't. What do you do in your free time? I dance. I really just dance. I just put on some music and just dance. Seriously. Will you bring a house tour or a room tour on your channel? So I was planning to do a room tour, but let's see, maybe. When did you start making reels, and how much time did it take you to reach 25k? So I started making reels in during Jan end and Feb starting, like somewhat. Yeah, and it took me 3 months to reach 25k. Yeah, it took me 3 to 4 months to reach 25k. How do you even cope up with these people continuously objectifying you? Honestly, I know this is a bad thing, but I've kind of gotten used to it, and I shouldn't have to get used to it, but I've been very used to people objectifying me and sexualizing me at such a young age, and I can't really do anything about it because, all I can do is tell people to report them, but, I'm not a huge creator right now. I'm not a very huge creator right now, so I really can't do anything about it except getting used to it. So that is what I'm doing right now. That is how I cope up, if you think that is the good way. How often do you wash your hair because it gets greasy? So basically, my hair is a very weird thing. I wash my hair one day, and I have to wash it after alternate days. I wash it because my hair gets very messy, very messy. What would you want your name to be if not he? That is actually a good question. I would want my name to be something like Naira or Kyra or something, because I just don't want my name to be he. In which year did you decide to make a side career on Instagram? I still haven't decided it, to be honest. I mean, I'm pretty sure I'm going to continue Instagram, but I don't know if I'm going to have a side career on Instagram. Have you ever been to Bombay? Yeah, I was in Bombay last year, and my family lives in Bombay, so I come there very often. Where are you from, and are you committed? I'm from Jaipur, Rajasthan, and no, I'm not committed. Also, where do you get your jewelry from? I love it. Okay, so basically my mom has her own jewelry business, so that is mostly where I get my jewelry from. I'm gonna link it in the description below. Who's your inspiration? Honestly, on a daily basis, my friends really inspire me a lot. Like, if you're asking about Instagram, then definitely. There are a lot of creators which really inspire me, which I know them, like Naisa and a lot of other people. Oh my god, Indraneel really inspires me a lot. Ayan inspires me a lot. I mean, I wouldn't be where I am right now if it wasn't for Ayan, to be honest. I think that's all for the video. Thank you so much for watching. I'm definitely going to be very active on YouTube. Not very active, but I'm definitely going to try and stay active on YouTube now. And I hope you guys like this video, and don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.